Okay, so when you come right here, this is the main door. This beautiful rag here from Home Goods, I believe. Very nice, very soft. And this tree, this little tree here from, it's a 4-tree from Hobby Lobby. And this abstract wall art right here from Home Goods. Very beautiful. And onto your right, we got the console table here. I got my console table from Target. Table books from Amazon. A gorgeous, the vintage vase. I got this from Flora. And the branch, the 4 branch is from Coriban. And this pedestal bowl from, and this candle is from Walmart. Smells very good. The little wall art there is from Hobby Lobby, and this gorgeous table lamps from Amazon. From Target. It's from the Heart and Hand collection. And my large mirror is from AICHA. So I love this little setup. Gorgeous. Across the console table, I have my dining room here, and this is how I have this setup right here. That's my gallery wall, my family pictures. I love that. I got the frames from Target, and I just printed the pictures from CVS. And I have this, but got this credential with some storage on it underneath from IKEA, and those little decoration underneath from all over the place. Walmart, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and on top of it, I have this gorgeous lamp from Target. It's also from the Heart and Hand collection. And the decoration boxes from Home Goods, a Tom Ford book from Amazon, candle holders from Michaels. The candles are from Walmart. And there's gorgeous wall art on the wall. A DIY table is from Value City Furniture. Love it. It's a marble table. Very nice. Gorgeous. And have a marble tray from Home Goods, the book from Amazon, and those vases are gorgeous. I love them. I got the big one and the small one from Home Goods, and those are little coasters, they are called. I got 3 selling in there. So that's, and I have this beautiful tray, 4-tray from Target. If you can see it very well from this angle. There you go. Very nice. I love it. And my curtains are from JCPenney. I love them. Okay, so that's the dining room situation. That's the overview of the dining room. There you have it. I love it. And oh, I forgot, my rag is from Sam's Club. You can use it both outdoors and indoors, so I chose to do it indoors because I have little kids. It's very easy to clean when you spill water on anything, or anything you spill on it. Very easy to clean. This is my favorite place in the house. I love it. Look at, guys. Look how beautiful is this kitchen. How gorgeous is that kitchen. So I got this bar stool from Target, and this clear vase from, I got this from the thrift store. And I had to get this pop of color because of this Valentine's Day. I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but I had to incorporate some pinkish, reddish stuff in this video. And I love this. I got these stems from Hobby Lobby. Okay. And on my shelf up there, the fruit wall art from Target, the little plant, the fruit plant from Target, the basket from Hobby Lobby in those wine glasses where it gives, I don't drink wine, I can drink water in it or juice. And those bowls, I got them a long time ago. This gorgeous cookbook from Target also. And the book stand is a marble book stand that I found at Ross. Don't sleep on Ross, they have cute stuff sometimes. And this cute, talking about Ross, cute vase. Look how that matches my book. So cute. Look at the twist handles. So beautiful, I love it. And the wood riser is from Hobby Lobby. This little salt and pepper, I believe, dish thing is from Target also. And this clear vase from the thrift store stems from Target. And this is a travertine bowl. It's very cute, very beautiful. Got it from Home Goods. Very heavy. This is a very heavy material. And the dish soap and hand soap dispensers are from Amazon. And the brush thing is from Home Goods. In this corner, I got this breadboard from JCPenney. And this large vase is from Hobby Lobby. The small vase is from JCPenney. And this corner, look how beautiful this knife set. It's Cuisinart. I got the 15 pieces, I believe, set. I got that from JCPenney. And the planter, the viral planter from Walmart. I have my spoons in there. The marble tray riser is from Home Goods. My breadboard from one is Hobby Lobby, the other one is Home Goods, I believe. And the salt and pepper grinders are from Target. And this kettle, so cute, gorgeous. I got this from Target also. That from Target. In this corner, I have that wall art, fruit wall art from Hobby Lobby. Little picture vase thing is from Home Goods. I just have some little baby breads stamp on it. Look how gorgeous are these canisters. Look at the ribs on it, fluted glass. So beautiful. I have my almond in there, my gum, some chocolate. On this side, it's my coffee station. I love me some coffee. So cute. Beautiful. So here I have this woven tray from my &Co. And my coffee maker is the K-Cafe line. I got it from JCPenney. My coffee mugs from Home Goods. And my syrup holders are from Target. Look how cute is this coffee mug. I put my spoons in there. I got those spoons from Amazon. So cute, I love it. And this olive jar here from Home Goods. The stems are from Michael's. I love my coffee station. So cute. Up there is the microwave and fridge. So this table here is a breakfast nook, but this is where my kids do their mess, do anything they want to do. This is where they're allowed to be a kid, so they don't mess up my beautiful kitchen. What you guys think? How cute is this? How gorgeous is this? So this basket here is from Home Goods. Just have a little throw blanket if I'm cold at night watching TV. And the side table from Target. The book from Target. And the bowl from Hobby Lobby. And this gorgeous lamp right here from Walmart.com. You can get it from Amazon, from my &Co. I had to splurge on this lamp. But guess what? It's money well spent. I love it. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And my couch is from Ashley. It's very nice. And the decorative pillows are from TJ Maxx, Home Goods. Some of them I bought the pillow covers from Amazon. I already had the pillow. Look how beautiful is this pillow cover. I got this from Amazon. So cute. And the throw blanket from Ashley also. How beautiful this pillow. I found this at TJ Maxx. So designer looking. I love it. And onto this side. Again, I told you guys I needed to have some pop-up color. Today is Valentine's Day. Why not? Look how gorgeous is this pillow right here. This brown pillow right here is a Maggie & Co pillow. I've thrifted this. I found this at the thrift store. And the throw blanket is from Amazon. And a 2-piece frame from Target. It's cute. I love it. How gorgeous is this floor lamp? I found this at Target too. This is the Studio Maggie collection. And this huge pot plant. So beautiful. I got this from Sam's Club. Okay, so my console table is from IKEA, the TV from Best Buy, and my 4 books here from Ashley also. And those books, decorative books from Amazon, all those from Amazon. The vase is, the other one is Walmart. This white one here is from Hobby Lobby. Into my cabinet. How gorgeous it is. I cannot go into details of from where I got all this from. Otherwise, it's going to be a very long video, so we don't want to do that. So my huge vase down there, the black one is from Poriban. The white one here is from Home Good. Candle holders from Hobby Lobby. The 4 plant stain from Target. So this mix. My Louis Vuitton book from Amazon. And this cabinet was a brown cabinet. I DIY it, painted it white and black, and I love it. And how cute are these accent chairs? So beautiful. I got them from Home Goods. And the pillow, this one right here is from, on my left, it's from Target. This one I got the pillow cover from from Amazon. And my curtains are from JCPenney. How cute is my coffee table? I love it. I have my 80 book here from Amazon. That's the decorative box from Home Good. This is another travertine bowl. So cute, so heavy. This material is heavy, guys. Heavy. And the beads from Hobby Lobby. This white plant right here, so cute, from Michaels. These stems are mixed. I think one I mixed the lavender one from Michaels, I believe, and the green ones from Hobby Lobby. Guys, I love my living room. How gorgeous is this?